Hello everybody, this is Dr. Puglia with detailed Project 2 directions. We're going to use Google Sites. I have taken the liberty of creating a page for everybody within here, and within that page you'll have to add 3 things to it. The first thing that you'll have to add is the link to the website for the course that you're making. And the second thing that you'll have to add is a presentation. And the third thing you'll add is the YouTube video of your narrated presentation when complete. We will also then leave feedback for one another so that we could each help one another improve our course shells. Again, there are certain requirements that you do have to fulfill for it. There are some things that you might not have to add in complete detail. I know it could be a pretty exhaustive assignment. But let me show you where we're likely to go from here. So this is the main page, right? And everybody can edit this. I've created a page for everybody. If you don't see your name, it might be under here. The student example is the page that I have taken the liberty of adding a few items for, so you can get an idea of what I am looking for. It is not a complete page, but it will, I think, help you if you're stuck at all trying to figure out what you need to do. So this Google Sites edits and shares automatically. It's the new Google Sites, which is a nice feature. The old one, if you weren't aware of, you had to press the save button every time. But now this one saves by itself. I am in now the edit mode. Okay, you'll know you're in the edit mode if you see publish, insert pages and themes. You should only edit your page. When you want to look at other students' pages, just click the preview button. And then this is also where you will leave feedback, and I'll show you that in a second. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you the student example page. And here are the 3 things. Each of you have these directions on your page. 3 things that you need to add. Here is an example of the URL, or the link for the site. And there are certain components, again, that are on the Project 2 directions that you have to include. And then there are some others that you can also include that are your choices. Here is the embedded Google Slides presentation. I made it public and viewable. It's really important that you do that. If you don't do that, other people can't see it. Usually you either click the 3 dots or you click the person and change the link so that anybody can view it. Okay. The other thing here, or edit it, and we won't edit each other's. The other thing here is the video, and this is just really a video narration I used Camtasia of the presentation. You do that at the end when everything is complete. I would upload your Google Slides or PowerPoint shell presentation so that you have something to get started right away immediately. Even if you only have 1 slide done, or the title slide, that would be great if you could do that. If you do it in PowerPoint, I can convert it to a Google slide, and then you could edit it in there. Any edits you make, you don't have to keep on changing your page or your site page here. They'll automatically get updated. So let me show you how to do this. To add your site link, all right, I already put it on here. You click on here, embed URL, and then you put the link in. I already did that, so it's there. To embed your presentation, you click on, if you have it hopefully in Google Slides, if you have that, then you can go right to Slides. And then this is what I did. I just click that and hit Insert. If you happen to not have Google Slides and you want to upload a file, you can, again, upload a file here, and I'll convert it for you. And then you can, I'll share it, and then you could also edit in Google Slides so it's always there. And then I want you to insert a video, okay? And I uploaded this to YouTube, and then I clicked on it, and it embedded. I put it side by side so that it was easy to see on one page. The preview page of it looks like this, guys. It looks like the video, all right? Student page again. And here is the course title, all right? So these are the slides. Again, what you're going to need on your course, you're going to need a title page, all right? you're going to need what platform you used, in this case Google Sites, maybe a screenshot of part of your syllabus. This is an example from an internet education course I co-taught with Dr. Carnahan, so this is a small little page of it and grading. These are some of the synchronous and asynchronous activities included. You don't have to put them all into one slide. You could use multiple slides for this. It's another example. Here is a screenshot of an audio, one of the audios used during that course. And again, a section for another section that I added was this optional one, virtual conferences by appointment. So you can see here, these are some of the other sections you can add. Some of those main ones are mandatory, but again, discussion board, activities, short presentations, assessment, and so on. This is a screenshot from the project directions. The video plays as such, is just my voice. Presentation after you complete it. And basically what it is just a video of going over the different of the presentation, I mean, the rationale for why you made your course, what slides you chose to take. After you're done making your presentation, you want to start looking at other people's. So let's say you looked at a student's page, then here you could leave feedback. So what you do is you write the name of the person. All right, let's say I looked at student. All right, we'll call it James. I'll just call it Dr. Julia. That's a student. That was me. And then my answer, I'm just going to keep it short. And then who answered it? Well, I answered it. All right, so my first name and last name, or just my first name is fine. And then I hit submit. And then over here is where you can see the results. Click on the link. And right now you see the date and the time and the feedback that was given to you. And then you can hopefully use it to help make any adjustments or improvements to your site. If you want to edit it back again. If you're in the big preview mode, again, you click on the X down here, and that gets you back to the edit mode. The I gets you to the full screen mode. And I think that's all for now. You should really get started on this. This will be our assignment to get pages on here up and running. Maybe put your link up here. Create at least a few slides for your presentation, even if it's not totally complete, and then we could get it on there. And I would again continue to work on your course. If you need any help, please let me know. Thank you again. Have a good day.